by Ray Douglas Bradbury. Let me give you a short briefing about Ray Douglas. Ray Douglas is actually an American fantasy fiction, science fiction. Basically, he used to write about these stories which is related to science fiction. One is Earth and another is Venus, the life on the planet Venus. See, as chat box is by default is deactivated, so if you have to ask any question, ready, ready, ready now soon. Do the scientists really know? Will it happen today? Will it? Now, this is the story about the children who are residing on the planet Venus. और Venus की यहाँ पे क्या खासियत है? According to Ray Douglas, this Venus planet receives sun rays after every 7 years. हमेशा 7 साल के बाद वहाँ पे सूरज निकलता है और वो 2 घंटे के लिए ही निकलता है. 7 साल. There's a gap of 7 years. And the children of that planet and the people of that planet are eagerly wait for sun to come out. और तब तक since जब तक कि sun नहीं निकलता वहां पे सिर्फ rainfall होता है. Only there is a rainfall and there is all water, water and water everywhere, the sound of water. Plus the people there lives in a tunnel. मतलब वो अंदर अंदर रहते हैं, underground areas में रहते हैं, and they have a same life as people on the earth, but there is the absence of the sun. So now here, according to the scientists, the day has come when the sun is going to rise for 2 hours, going to shine for 2 hours, and the children all over the planet are waiting for the sunrise to be there, to sun to come. So now they're all ready with ready, ready, ready. Now soon, do the scientists really know? Will it happen today? Will it? They're all eagerly waiting for the sun. Look, look, see for yourself. The children press to each other like so many roses, so many weeds, intermixed, peering out for a look at the hidden sun. And all the children just standing near the windows and waiting. There's a glass window pane, and they all are mixed like roses and intermixed weeds. They're all standing and peeping out to look at the sun. So they're waiting eagerly. They're waiting for the sun. It rained, and what is the condition at the present? The scenario at the present is raining. It's all over raining, and children are just peeping out from the window panes and waiting the rain to be stopped and sun to come. Why? Because the prediction by the scientists has been done that this is the day when the sun is going to come. It had been raining for 7 years, thousand upon thousand. This paragraph, please mark it. This is very, very important paragraph. Now, it had been raining for 7 years. Thousands upon thousands of days compounded and filled from one end to other with rain. Thousands and thousands means 7 years. Can you imagine 365 into 7? So many years, so many days. So many days. So this is now what has been said, that compounded means make off, filled with one to end with the rain, when the drum and gush of water with the sweet crystal fall of shower and concussion of storms. Now here the drum and gush of water means the falling of the raindrops. क्योंकि बताया उनकी लाइफ टनल के अंदर थी और टनल के ऊपर जो वो पानी गिरता था, टप टप जो बारिश का पानी जो ड्रॉप्स गिरता था, वो मेक अ साउंड ऑफ ड्रम एंड गश ऑफ वाटर with sweet crystal fall of shower. और जैसे shower हम बोलते जो आवाज आती है वो आवाज means here the description of the rain has been described. The drum and gush of water with the sweet crystal fall of shower and the concussion of storms. Concussion means confusion. Means हमेशा वहाँ पे बिजली की गड़गड़ाहट, बादल की गड़गड़ाहट और हमेशा पानी गिरने की आवाज शावर में, तो वहाँ पे total scenario is of rain. Like as for yesterday, the entire day, I think so, from since evening, it was raining and it continued. So similarly something like that of that. Now this is a few hours. हम जब कुछ घंटों बारिश होती तो हम परेशान हो जाते हैं because all over there is water. So just imagine the life of the planet on the Venus, where there is 7 years continuously there is a rainfall. So यहाँ पे इस condition है, so heavy they were tidal waves come over the island, and there was obviously there is a tidal wave all over the planet, and where the children are waiting for the they're waiting for the sun. 1,000 forests have been crushed under the rain and grown upon 1,000 times to be crushed again. Why 1,000 forests have been crushed under rain means बारिश होती है वहाँ पे, जब वहाँ पे बारिश हो, जब सूरज आता है तो बहुत ग्रीनरी हो जाती है, अचानक से everything gets turned. एंड इमीडिएटली आफ्टर 2 आवर्स फिर वहाँ पे इतनी बारिश होती है, इतनी बारिश होती है, इतनी बारिश होती है कि पता नहीं कितने फॉरेस्ट, कितने पेड़ पौधे, कितने ऐसी चीजें जो दब जाती हैं पानी में, और वो दबती चली जाती हैं पानी के अंदर. So here 1,000 forests have been crushed under the rain and grown up 1,000 times to be crushed again. And they grew again, they are being crushed under the water. And this was the way life was forever on the planet Venus. And this was the way of, and this was the school room of the children who had immigrate there. People come from the different planet and they immigrate, they वो वहीं पे रह जाते हैं इसीलिए और वहां पे कैसे पहुंचते because they have to reach through rockets. So it has been said that there's rocket men and women who had come to a rainy world to set up civilization and live out their lives, and they have come through rocket and they have immigrated there and they are staying there in the. Okay, Kafa Abbas has to ask something.
Is it true that sun comes out once every 7 years?
See, this is a fiction. नहीं, listen to me. This is a fiction, a science fiction. This is the imagination of Ray Douglas. About there is a planet जहाँ पर कि वहाँ पे लोग civilized रह रहे हैं, वहाँ पे रह रहे civilization setup किए हैं और उनकी जो life है वो total पानी से भरी हुई है. So this is just an imagination, just a science fiction. There is no touch of reality. ठीक है? Anything else? Okay. I hope this up to this much is clear. Shall we proceed further? Okay. It's stopping, it's stopping. Yes, yes. Margot. This is pronounced as Margot. Nobody will say it's Margot. It's Margot. Margot stood apart from them, from these children who could ever remember a time when there wasn't rain and rain and rain. Now, Margot is a girl. She has come few days back from planet Earth. So she is 9 years old. Now here the children are 9 years old. यानी कि जब सन निकला था आज से 7 साल पहले तो वो 2 साल के थे. तो they don't remember the sun, they don't know. The children there जो वहाँ पे पले बड़े हो उनको पता नहीं कि सन की क्या अहमियत है. What is sun? How does sun look like? And what are the things which we receive from the sun, and what kind of warmness we receive from the sun. तो वहाँ के बच्चों को नहीं पता. लेकिन here the story revolves around Margot, who has recently came from Earth to planet Venus. So she definitely know everything, the warmness of the sun and how does the sun look like. उसे सब पता था sun के बारे में. शायद इसीलिए she was entirely different from the other children of that planet. So now here she is. Now Margot, I'm repeating it again, page 100, 108. Margot stood apart from them, from these children who could ever remember a time when there wasn't rain, rain and rain. And these children, Margot was totally entirely different from them because Margot was the girl who has already seen the sun. She has felt the warmness of the sun. और यहाँ पर बाकी बच्चे उससे क्यों डिफरेंट है बिकॉज दे हैव नेवर फेल्ट द सन, दे हैव नेवर सीन द सन, दे नेवर न्यू अबाउट द सन बिकॉज जब सन निकला था तब वो 2 साल के थे. नाउ दे आर 9 years old. So now again this is a high time, they are waiting for the sun to come. they're all they were all 9 years old, and if there had been a day 7 years ago when the sun came out for an hour and showed its face to the stunned world, they could not recall. So stunned world means shocked. Please write down, stunned means shocked. Because when the sun has come last time they were of only 2 years old, so they don't know about the sun, they don't know how it looked like. Now they are 9 years, they're mature, they can feel and they can see the sun, so they are eagerly waiting for the sun. Sometimes at night she heard them stir in remembrance, and she knew they were dreaming and remembering gold or yellow crayons or a coin large enough to buy the world with. And वहाँ के बच्चों का मतलब सन इस तरह से इम्पैक्ट था कि दे नॉट ओनली दे वेट फॉर द सन, दे कीप ऑन ड्रीमिंग अबाउट द सन. उनके दिमाग में हमेशा सन घूमता रहता, उनके दिमाग में हमेशा वो सन को इमेजिन करते हैं अपने सपनों में भी. जस्ट सी द फैंटेसी अबाउट द सन, दे कीप ऑन इमेजिनिंग अबाउट द सन कि सन कैसा होगा. समटाइम्स एट नाइट शी हर्ड देम स्टिर. स्टिर मींस मूव. दे कीप ऑन मूविंग इन रिमेम्बरेंस, मतलब वो करवट बदलते रहते हैं, सोते हैं, दे कीप ऑन थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस sun, and she knew they were dreaming and remembering gold or a yellow crayon or a coin large enough to buy the world. और उनके दिमाग में हमेशा गुरु कभी येलो गोल्डन कलर घूमता है, कभी येलो कलर का सन घूमता है, और कभी उनको लगता है वो इतना बड़ा है कि वो इतने बड़े कॉइन की तरह है जो कि पूरे वर्ल्ड को खरीद सकता है. तो this is the imagination of the children, those who have never seen the sun. She knew, they thought, they remembered a warmness like a blushing in the face, in the body, in arms and legs and trembling hands. She knew, they thought मीन्स वो उनको पता था कि ये जो बच्चे हैं वो ये सोचते होंगे कि वहाँ पे वार्मनेस लाइक अ ब्लशिंग इन द उनकी मतलब व्हेन दे इमेजिन अबाउट द सन, द वार्मनेस ऑफ द सन, तो उनके अंदर वो फीलिंग आती होगी कि सन ऐसा होगा, उससे हमें ऐसा मिलेगा, मतलब हमें ऐसी फीलिंग आएगी. but then they always awoke to a tatting drum. लेकिन जब उनकी नींद टूटती है तो what happened? There is always the tatting drum means there is a waterfall. जो बारिश से जो पानी गिर रहा उसका आवाज आ रही है. The endless shaking down of clear bead necklace on the roof. जैसे किसी नेकलेस को आप तोड़ दीजिए और जो बीच जो गिरती है तो वो आवाज उसकी इमेजिनेशन में मतलब वो आवाज उनकी दिन भर उनके आस पास घूमती रहती है. So upon and walk gardens in forest and their dreams were gone. और जब उनकी आँख खुलती वो बहुत सुंदर सुंदर सपने देखते हैं about the sun, about the warmness of the sun और ये सब बहुत कुछ imagine करते हैं. लेकिन होता क्या है finally जब उनकी आँख खुलती है तो उनको चारों तरफ पानी दिखाई देता है, पानी सुनाई देता है और ऐसा लगता है जैसे किसी नेकलेस तोड़ दे और उसकी मोती जैसे गिरती है उस तरह की आवाजें आती. क्यों ऐसी आवाजें आती? बिकॉज द लाइफ इज सिविलाइज्ड इन द टनल. वो टनल के अंदर उनकी लाइफ सिविलाइज्ड है तो जब भी उस टनल के ऊपर पानी गिरता है तो उनको इस तरह की फीलिंग आती कि इस तरह की आवाजें आ रही हैं. Now all day yesterday they had read in class about the sun, about how like a lemon it was and how hot. or or teachers we keep on telling them about the sun, so they are not only teachers telling about it, they keep on discussing about, मतलब उनके पास और कोई दूसरा टॉपिक होता ही नहीं है, rather than only discussing about the sun and their warmness, about how it looked like a lemon it was and how hot. Now this discussion amongst the class, the children come to know कि नहीं कि it's look like a lemon and it's very hot, and they had written small stories or essay or poems about it. And when the teacher discussed and the discussion goes on in the class, they start writing poems and stories related to sun. I think sun is a flower that blooms for just 1 hour, and some of them imagined like sun is like a flower which blooms in the air. So this is what that was Margot's poem. Read it quite voice in the still classroom while the rain was falling. Now here starts the bullying of the girl. किसी को जानबूझ के छेड़ना, उसको bully करना, उसको परेशान करना. So this is what they used to do with Margot. Why? Because she was different from the other children. Other children had never experienced sun, so they had their own imagination. वो अपनी imagination, अपनी creativity, अपने बारे में उस sun के बारे में सोचते रहते. लेकिन Margot is a girl who has felt the warmness of the sun, so she knew very well about the sun. तो जब भी वो उनकी imagination में कुछ आता है तो Margot उनको रोकती है कि नहीं ये ऐसा नहीं ये ऐसा है. तो this make Margot different from others. Secondly, when somebody is suppose जहाँ पर आपको ऐसा just imagine yourself, आप इस atmosphere में रहे और अचानक आपको किसी ऐसी जगह भेज दिया जहाँ पे सिर्फ पानी ही पानी हो and you are not about to move out of your house और पूरी आपकी लाइफ टनल के अंदर बंद है. तो just imagine the life, the mentality of the people. तो कितना फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता होगा घर में बैठे, जैसे अभी लॉकडाउन है, वी आर जस्ट लॉक्ड इन आवर हाउस, सो समवेयर देयर इज अ फ्रस्ट्रेशन दैट वी आर नॉट एबल टू मूव आउट, वी आर नॉट एबल टू गो फ्री, वी आर नॉट एबल टू एंजॉय आवर लाइव्स, वी आर नॉट एबल टू गो टू स्कूल एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स. तो उसी वही समझ लो वैसे ही एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन इन बच्चों के अंदर भी था when they are under the inside the tunnel, and Margot is completely different from them because she has already experienced all the warmness of the sun. तो वो मार्गो को हमेशा बुली करते थे. They keep on bullying. Kritin has to ask something. Yes, yes, Kritin.
Ma'am, in the line, sometimes at night she heard them stir in remembrance. So, to hear someone stir, they have to be in close quarters. So, the daughter children sleep
because
in
the
close
school the
quarters
children
together.
हाँ because the school children remains together, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कहीं इधर उधर जाने की जगह नहीं है. तो जो बच्चे हैं वो पूरे टनल में, स्कूल जो है इज इन अ क्लोज टनल, वो दे आर इंटैक्ट इन दैट टनल.
And
तो वो
it is like a hostel.
yes, it's
Hostel
kind of a
actually.
hostel. Yes, it's kind of a hostel. They live their life there in the because I told you ना life is they're full of water everywhere. तो वो normal बच्चों की तरह घर से निकल के स्कूल नहीं जा सकते. So they are in the school itself with the children. ठीक है? Okay. Now, so that was Margot's poem read in a quiet voice in the still classroom while the rain was falling outside. Now when they were writing stories and different poems about the sun, so one of the child, that was Margot's poem, read it in a quiet voice in the still classroom while the rain was falling out. So wanted to read, they were trying to bully Margot and they wanted to read the poem which is written by Margot. Oh, you didn't write that, protested one of the boy. I did, said. तो एक बच्चे ने कहा कि वो तुमने तो कुछ लिखा नहीं होगा, तुम्हें लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट इज सन इज, तो हम लोग को तो लिखना है बिकॉज वी आर ईगरली वेटिंग. So they keep on bullying her, they keep on teasing her. I did, said Margot, I did. She said, yes, I have written about the sun. William, said the teacher. Now the teacher just gave a loud cry for William. The boy who was trying to bully Margot was the William. So William, said the teacher. But that was yesterday. Now the rain was slackening. Slackening, please underline, it is reducing in speed. Slackening means धीरे धीरे rain की जो speed है वो कम हो रही है. तो that is slackening is reducing in speed. And the children were crushed in the great thick windows. And crushed means they were embarrassed. वो धीरे धीरे जो बारिश हो रही थी वो स्लो हो रही थी. एंड द चिल्ड्रन वेयर क्रश्ड इन द ग्रेट थिक विंडोज. और वो सारे के सारे मतलब बहुत दे ऑल टुगेदर केम रनिंग टुवर्ड्स द विंडो, देखने के लिए कि बारिश धीरे हो रही है, तो इसका मतलब कि अब सन निकलेगा, क्योंकि वहां पे कभी बारिश धीमी होती ही नहीं है. According to Ray Douglas, the rainfall is in a continuation process. It never slows down. कभी वहाँ पे वो रेंज होती वो कम होती नहीं, वो कंटिन्यूअसली बारिश होती रहती विद सिंगल स्पीड. ठीक है, तो crushed in the great thick windows he embraced, they were all embarrassed. जब धीरे धीरे बारिश धीमी हो रही थी वो सब ऐसे कि वहाँ पे वेट कर रहे थे, तो they were embarrassing and they were all standing near the window कि कब ये धीमी हो जाए और कब हमारा सन बाहर आए. Where's the teacher? She will be back. She did better hurry. We will miss it. They turned on themselves like a feverish wheel. Feverish wheel means totally restlessness. They were all restless. जब उनको लगा कि अरे बारिश धीमी हो रही है, इसका मतलब है कि जो साइंटिस्ट ने प्रेडिक्ट किया है कि आज के दिन सन निकलेगा, तो they were all eagerly waiting for the sun. तो सारे के सारे विंडो के पास आ गए. और फिर वो they were waiting for the teacher to come. They were waiting for the teacher कि ऐसा ना हो कि टीचर इसको मिस कर जाए, और क्योंकि सन सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 घंटे के लिए होता है. So they turned on themselves like a feverish wheel, and they were all excited, restless, uncontrolled, all tumbling spokes. जैसे wheel होता ना, can you see the wheel? So it's sometimes it becomes uncontrolled. So they were excited and restless. Margot stood alone, but where the children clustered themselves near the window, वहीं पे मार्गो ने अपने आप को एक सेपरेट तरीके से खड़ा रखा था. वो दूर लोगों के से बच्चों से दूर खड़ी थी. She was a very frail girl. Frail girl means weak. Please underline, frail girl. Description of Margot is important. It may ask in your question that describe Margot. So you have to just make it sure that she was a very frail girl. Frail means weak. Well, a very delicate and weak type of girl, who looked as if she had been lost in the rain for years, and the rain had washed out the blue from her eyes. यानी कि और वो इतनी वीक एंड डेलिकेट लगती थी, ऐसा लगता था कि बारिश की पानी की वजह से उसके बॉडी का रंग ही चला गया. बिकॉज शी वाज लुकिंग, व्हाई शी वाज टोटली अपसेट एंड शी वाज नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन द ऑन दैट काइंड, बिकॉज शी हैज ऑलरेडी फेल्ट द सन ऑन द अर्थ. सो उस जब वो वहां गई तो वहां पे शी वाज नॉट एबल टू एडजस्ट हरसेल्फ. So this author has given him that the water has just flushed out her all color, means वो एकदम faded हो गई थी, यानी कि उसकी लाइफ से रंग ही नहीं था. So she who looked as if she had lost in the rain for years, and the rain had washed out the blue from her eyes and the red from her mouth. यानी कि the color of the eyes is blue, the color of the lips are red, and her mouth, and yellow from her hair. मतलब कि this is a description of her, because according to the author, the girl eyes is of blue color, mouth is of red color, and hair is of yellow color. तो वो सारे कलर ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे कि पानी में बह गए हों. Because of this rain, the color of the girl has been flushed out. She was an old photograph dusted from an album, whitened away, and if she spoke at all, her voice would be a ghost. और क्या होता है जैसे, और मतलब उसको देख के ऐसे लगा जैसे आप किसी फोटोग्राफ को बहुत देर तक किसी किताब के अंदर रख दो तो उसका कलर उड़ जाता है. तो she was seems to be same, like उसके पूरी शरीर का कलर उड़ चुका था. मतलब वो she was totally looking very weak and delicate, and she was lost. Actually with the word given to her, she is lost with her life. She was very disappointed. जब हम किसी चीज से बहुत ज्यादा दुखी रहते हैं तो obviously हमारे face पे वो expressions आते हैं, हमारे body पे वो look आता है that we are upset. So similarly is happening with this girl, and if she spoke at all, her voice would be a ghost. Would be a ghost means like she was always a muted one. हमेशा वो कभी किसी से कुछ नहीं बोलती थी, वो कभी किसी से बात नहीं करती थी, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही इंतजार करती थी, शी वॉज वेटिंग फॉर द सन टू सी अगेन। और दिस इज द एंड दैट इज वाई वो एकदम, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी सन के वो फील कर चुकी थी, वो सन के बारे में जानती थी, जब उस प्लेनेट पे वो आई तो वो अपने आप को एडजस्ट नहीं कर पा रही थी, और उसको डिसअपॉइंटमेंट था, उसको एम्बैरेसमेंट था, उसे दुख था, वो होपलेसनेस हो गई थी वहां पे। तो children used to think that she is something out different from us because she has already felt the sun, so she thinks herself that she is very different from us. So children were not ready to believe her, and children were not ready to speak to her as well. क्यों? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं there was a jealous in the children that she has already experienced the sun in her life. ठीक है? Now she stood separate, staring at the rain and the loud, wet world beyond the huge glass, and she was also waiting for the sun to come. What are you looking at? Said William, and even then, suddenly William, the boy, came and started teasing and bullying her. See, bullying her is a major word. Whenever you will write about the answers, that she was always bullied by the children. Okay. And what are you looking at? Said William. Margot said nothing. And अब तो जब वहाँ पे विलियम ने देखा कि जब वो भी खिड़की के बाहर देख रही है सन को बहुत देर से, तो he started bullying her कि तुम क्या कर रही हो, तुम क्यों देख रही हो। मतलब कहने का मतलब है कि तुम तो ऑलरेडी जानती हो ना सन के बारे में, you have already seen sun, so what are you waiting for and why are you waiting for? So Margot said nothing. Speak when you are spoken to. Or then he became a very, he became very angry. When why are you not replying me? If I'm asking you something, you need to respond me. And he just screamed at her. Now, speak when you are spoken to. He gave her a shove. Shove means push. उसने उसको धक्का दिया कि जब तुमसे बात करते तो बात किया करो. And then he gave us shove. But she did not move. Rather, she let herself be moved only by him and nothing else. And she never used to move. वो खुद move करना चाहिए तो move करेगी. Otherwise, she is always still at one place. They edged away from her. They would not look at her. Edge away means they move away. Edge means किसी से दूर भागते थे. बच्चे भी उससे दूर भागते थे. वो जहाँ रहती थी बच्चों से दूर रहते थे. So they edged away from her. They would not look at her. She felt them go away. और वो हमेशा उसको bully करते थे, tease करते थे, और हमेशा उसको ऐसा feel कराते थे she is something very different from the other children. So this is what. And this was because, and why, and she would play no games with them in the echoing tunnels of the underground city. And why do they do this? Because she never used to play with them, so therefore she was different. She was away from everybody. Now, if they tagged her and ran, she stood blinking after them and did not follow. अगर उसको tag करते हैं या उसे कुछ कहते हैं या जब they play game, तो she keep on blinking everyone, but she did not move from her place. It means she was not mixed with the children. वहाँ के बच्चे उस लाइफ से बिल्कुल settled and used to थे, उसकी आवाज से, उसे शोर शराबे से, they were very used to with the life of that tunnel. लेकिन Margot was not adjusting herself, was not able to adjust herself. Why? Because she was not happy over there. Because why? Because once she has already visited the earth and she knew the all the comfort and warmness on the earth, so she was totally unhappy there on that planet. So she was just bullied by the children. Now, only when they sang about the sun and the summer did her lips move as she watched the trenched window. और लेकिन जब क्लास में कभी सन के बारे में बात होती थी या उसकी वार्मनेस के बारे में बात होती थी या उसके बारे में कोई डिस्कशन होता था या कोई बच्चे उस सन को लेके कोई गाना गाते थे, तभी उसके शायद लिप्स खुलते रहे होंगे, बिकॉज शी वाज हरसेल्फ लव्ड द सन अ लॉट. तो तभी शायद वो अपना मुंह खोलती होगी, तभी वो शायद अपने लिप्स मूवमेंट कराती होगी. अदरवाइज शी इज टोटली अ डम चाइल्ड इन द क्लास. She never used to mix up with them. And then of course the biggest crime of all was that she had come. और ऐसा बच्चे उसके साथ क्यों करते हैं? Already I told you, ऐसा बच्चे उसके साथ इसलिए करते थे कि उसको बच्चे इसलिए बुली करते थे, टीज करते, उससे दूर भागते थे. क्यों? क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी उस प्लैनेट से आई थी, किस प्लैनेट से? She has come from the planet Earth. And then of course the biggest crime of all was that she had come here only 5 years ago from Earth, and she remembered the sun and the way the sun was and the sky was. Ohio was again a place, is a state in the Midwestern United States. Ohio, a great river, जो river, great river होता है जिसमें, तो वो उसकी जगह पे एक छोटी सी जगह पे रहती थी वो वहां पे, ठीक है। तो नाउ नाउ शी ऑलवेज यूज टू, एंड बिकॉज जबकि वो 5 साल पहले यहाँ पर आई थी और उसने पहले सन को देखा, यानी 5 साल पहले अगर वो आई थी, वो 4 साल थी वहां पर, तो उसने 4 साल तक सन को देखा, 4 साल तक उसने सन को, मतलब 4 साल तक वो वहां पर रही है, तो उसको पूरे सन के बारे में सब कुछ पता है। शी इज वेरी नोन अबाउट दिस सन, इस वजह से। एंड देन दे हैड बीन ऑन Venus all their lives, and they had been only 2 years old when last the sun came out, and had long since forgotten the color and the heat of it and the way it really was. But Margot remembered. वो बच्चे जो कि जब आया था लास्ट टाइम, तो सन वहां पे जब लास्ट टाइम जब शाइन किया था, they were only of 2 years old, so they hardly remember about the sun. But she was when she was 4 years old, she has come to this planet. यानी कि 4 साल की वो थी जब उसने, तो ऑब्वियसली बच्चे को पता होता है कि 4 साल के बच्चे को पता होता है कि सन कैसा होता है, सन में रहने वाली लाइफ कैसी होती है। शी वॉज ऑलरेडी न्यूइंग इट, तो दिस शी वॉज ऑलरेडी नोइंग इट, सो इट वॉज ऑल, बट मार्गो रिमेम्बर्ड। कोई बच्चे को याद नहीं था, बट मार्गो वॉज शी ऑलरेडी न्यू अबाउट दी सन. It's like a penny, she said once she closed her eyes. Now it's like a British coin. उसने कहा it's like a penny, she said once, eyes closed. No, it is not, the children replied. जब वो अपनी imagination में imagination क्या, she has already experienced this, तो when she used to share, the children used to deny her. नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Then she said it's look like a penny. They all cried together. No no no, it's not like that. It's like a fire, she said in the stove. It's like a fire on the stove. Then also you are lying, you don't remember, cried the children. Again, children just denied her and said, नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, तुम गलत बता रही हो. You are telling a lie to us. But she remembered and stood quietly apart from all of them and watched the patterning window. When you look at the window, जब पानी जब शीशे पे गिरता है, you would can see different patterns on the window pane. तो उसको कहते हैं पैटर्निंग. It's something like zigzag and it's अंदर को जिक्शा मोमेंट, तो वो इस तरह से different recurring designs में जब पानी गिरता है, तो उसको कहते हैं पैटर्निंग ऑफ द रेन. तो वो वहां पे खड़ी रहती थी और सिर्फ वहां पे वो बारिश का पानी देखती रहती थी. And a month ago she had refused to shower in the school shower room. As I told you that they used to, because वहाँ पे हमारी जैसी लाइफ नहीं है कि भाई बच्चे स्कूल में हैं, मम्मा पापा छोड़ रहे हैं, then going to school and then coming back from the school. Their life was enclosed in a tunnel. तो बच्चे वहीं पे रहते हैं, a kind of a hostel life. They used to stay over there, they used to sleep, they used to shower. Means it's a kind of a hostel life because they cannot have a frequent movement due to rainfall in that planet. So she had refused to shower in the school shower rooms, had clutched her hands in her ears. मतलब अपने दोनों हाथ को जैसे कान के पास लाके रोक देते हैं ना, फोल्ड करके. तो she used to have on over the, अपने दोनों हाथ को फोल्ड करके अपने सर और कान को ढक लिया उसने कि मुझे शावर नहीं लेना है, मुझे नहाना नहीं. मतलब she was चारों तरफ के पानी से वो इतना ज्यादा घबरा गई थी that she was not ready to take shower. Why? Because she did not want to face water, because all over there was water. Now, so before she clutched her hand कि उसे नहाना नहीं है, that she don't want to take a shower, screaming the water must not touch her head. और she was in a screaming mood that she did not want the water to touch her head. So after that, dimly she sensed it. She was different and they knew her difference had kept away. Dimly means slowly. और इसी तरह से धीरे-धीरे she was different. She had become different from the people. From people means from the children there in that tunnel. There was talk that her father and mother were taking her back to earth next year. फिर वहाँ पे एक rumor भी उड़ गया कि now she is going back on the earth. तो मतलब ये सारी चीजें मिलाकर the children used to hate her, used to bully, used to tease her. पहला क्या reason था? The reason is that she had already been there on the sun for 4 years, so she knew about the sun. Second, she did not. She was different from the children. Why? Because she already knew about the sun. She has experienced the sun. Thirdly, she just do not want to take shower there in the that place because she don't want to touch the water. Plus, she did not used to mix with the children because the thought of all the children are different and she was different from them. So these are the reasons. And then she had their own experience about this, and where the children do not want to believe her. They say that okay, you are trying to lie us, or you are telling lie to us, or you are not telling us the exact thing what the sun look like. क्योंकि हमने जो सुना है वो ये सुना है, तो हमें नहीं लगता कि तुम्हें मतलब is the saying is ना, people always love to listen what they want to listen. उनको वही सुनने में अच्छा लगता है जो वो सुनना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, this is what the main और वहाँ पे वो बच्चे जो सुनना चाहते थे वो शायद मार्गो उनको नहीं बोल रही थी, and Margot had her own experience, so they did not like Margot for all these things. ठीक है. And then there was a rumor in the air that very soon she is going back to the planet. तो ये एक again दूसरा reason था बच्चों का उसको dislike करने का, because she was going back. There was a thing in the air that she is going back with her parents because she is not happy over here. तो वो उसको डिफरेंट मानते थे कि तुमको हमारा प्लानट अच्छा नहीं लगता है तो तुम यहाँ नहीं रहना चाहती, तो यू आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अस. तो इसलिए भी देयर इज रीजन दैट द चिल्ड्रन यू डू नॉट लाइक हर एंड दे स्टे अवे फ्रॉम हर. And so the children hated her for all these reasons of big and little consequences. They hated her pale snow face, her waiting silence, her thinness, and her possible future. In सारी वजह से the children used to dislike her. So now I'm stopping till here. I don't think so. Do you want me to continue with this? Because it will become a very monotonous for 40 minutes. Or shall I put some questions so that you can answer? Okay, my first question. Raise your hand if you agree. Shall I stop it right now because already 10:41 is there? Shall I stop? Okay. Most of you want me to stop over here. Okay, just lower down your hand. Lower down your hand. My next question. Lower down your hand so that I can put my next question. Which place is under discussion in this story? Sneha. Yes, Sneha. Unmute yourself, Sneha.
Ma'am, it is planet Venus.
Yes, it's a planet Venus which is being discussed over here. Okay. What is the weather there on Venus? Describe the weather. What kind of weather? And how long this weather is there in this on this planet? Okay. Satyansh. Satyansh.
Ma'am, there is 7 years rain, and ma'am, two hours there is sunrise.
So how will you describe the weather? The weather is very dark and depressive. I know. The weather is very dark and depressive. Why
Yes,
it is dark and depressive?
Ma'am, because there is 7 years rain.
Yes, because it's raining since 7 years. It continuously keep on raining. And when there is no sun. Okay, for past 7 years there is no sun and it is continuously raining. So therefore the weather is very dark and depressing. Okay. Describe the weather there. What kind of sound and what kind of atmosphere scenario of that on that planet? What kind of scenario was there? Describe the scenario over there. कैसा scenario है वहाँ का? Means जब वहाँ पे rainfall हो रही है तो वहाँ पे कैसा atmosphere हुआ होगा? The sounds, the all the waves over there, तो कैसा sound होगा वहाँ का? Pranjal. Yes, Pranjal, unmute yourself. Pranjal, unmute yourself. I hope so. Pranjal is not able. Pranjal, could you hear me? No. Okay, Niku.
Ma'am, it rained all the time. It rained for 7 years. There was it produced
I told you ना, look into the page number 108, Niku. वहाँ पे जो बड़ा paragraph है, second one, उस बड़े paragraph में लिखा हुआ है ना, वहाँ पे the drum and gush of water with the sweet crystal of fall of showers and concussion of storms. So heavy they were tidal waves come over the island. ये पूरा scenario है वहाँ पर. Gush of water, drums of water. ना it seems the water when you it's a broken pearl. No beads of the broken beads. तो वहाँ पे उस तरह का दिन भर आवाज होती है, ड्रमिंग आवाज होती है वहाँ पे, पैटर्निंग ऑफ रेट मींस मतलब बिल्कुल एटमॉस्फेयर इज फुल ऑफ ऑल द टाइम देयर इज अ रेन, नो. तो वहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर कुछ ऐसा था. ओके खफा, जस्ट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Ma'am, the same answer I was.
Yes, Khafa?
Ma'am, the same answer I was. The same
answer. Repeat your answer. तुम लोग ये क्यों बोलते हो सेम आंसर? सब एक ही आंसर का जब क्वेश्चन पेपर मिलता
Constant downpour of the rain made it seem like there was a constant pitter patter due to the downpour
yes
of the rain, and it seemed like there were drums rolling, and trees were crushed under the weight of the
yes
water, and tidal waves often washed over the island,
yeah
and the atmosphere was very somber and dark and gloomy, depressive.
exactly this is all you have to describe about this. This is the paragraph which you can find it out and you can add your own words. You can describe the rainfall in your own words. आप उस वेदर को अपने अपनी भी वर्डिंग से डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, गुड कृतन. Now moving towards the next question. Describe the effect on the life of Venus. Life of Venus वहाँ पे कैसी होगी? What about the life of Venus? Where the children, what kind of life are they living? Anshika, life of Venus.
The life was so difficult because the children could not move to another places and they cannot play freely. And
yes, you can add it. The life is very depressive also, no? Because they are not free to move from one place to another. They are just intact at one place.
And they had never seen a sun. They had never felt the warmth of the sun.
Warmness of the sun, yes. And
they have always experienced they have been troubling with the sound of the rain.
Yes, they are already under the sound of the waves which keeps on falling into their ears.
Their life.
Okay, good Anshika. Acha, let me go for the next question. What had the rocket men and women come? Why had the rocket men and women come to Venus? What is meant by rocket men? Sakshi. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Sakshi. Sakshi. Sneha.
Ma'am, the rocket men and women refers to the people who have came from the planet Earth and they have came here to set up a new civilization here and to live here.
Yes, they are the people who had come to the reigning world of Venus to set up a civilization, right? ठीक है? Okay, good. Achha, my next question: why the other children unable to remember the sun? What is the reason why the other children do not know about the sun? They were all totally unaware about the sun. Okay, Divyash. Divyash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Give the answer. Why the other children unable to remember the sun?
I'm just few years before only they have been born and they haven't seen a sun and they have only heard the poem and the story essays about the sun. So they're dreaming about the sun and that's all.
Yes, they don't remember the sun because last year the sun had come. They were only of 2 years old. So a 2-year-old child cannot remember the warmness and the kind of sun was. So
and after 7 years. And after 7 years they will be getting to know the sun.
So after नहीं जब last sun निकला था जब they were of 9 years old. What according to the book were 9 years old. यानी एक बार उनके presence में sun निकल चुका है, right? Before 7 years. जब 7 साल पहले sun निकला होगा उनके presence में तो वो 2 साल के रहे होंगे. ठीक है, if you go तो वो 2 साल का बच्चा cannot describe about the sun and cannot describe and cannot feel the warmness of the sun. So therefore they do not remember about the sun. उनके presence में sun निकला जरूर था but they were very small to remember the things. Of a 2-year child cannot realize the things. So इसीलिए they were not able to remember the sun. Okay. Anyone else would like to add something into the answer? If you would like to add something then you raise your hand, otherwise you lower down your head for the next question. Divyash, still you want to say something? No. Chalo, next question is, what memory disturbs the children at the night sometimes? What kind of memory does it disturbs them? What kind of memory? What kind of memory? What kind of memory? What kind of memory? Anyone else? Chalo, let me ask with Sneha.
The memories remembering the sun as a gold coin or as a yellow crayon, which was
Yes.
large enough to buy the whole world.
Yes, it's a their memory. They already think about that it's a yellow and crayon and it's a large coin. Good. Now I'm just good Sneha. Now rest of the things you will read by yourself. I'm just leaving out the meeting. Anything you need to ask or will continue?